Welcome investors! Today I want to talk about what's going on in the stock market right now. And the second thing, in the end, I want to give you info about why I'm not making videos as often as I used to do in the past. Okay, let's do it. Let's take a look quickly at S&P 500. So since January 2022, S&P 500 is down 15% until now. Couple days ago, on May 19, S&P was down 18%, close to minus 20%, which is a strong indication of the recession. During this time, the recent couple weeks, I started buying some stocks. If you watch my previous videos, you probably know that I started buying Intel, I started buying Honeywell, I also bought more shares of Raytheon Technology. That's three stocks which I started buying in. But for past 2 days, I stopped buying because market started to recover. And this recent downturn in the market is long overdue. We had 2 years ago virus pandemic hitting all over the world, and then huge amount of money pumped up into the system all over the world. Dollar, euro, yen, all kinds of currencies. So this postponed the downturn, which was natural because the market was overvalued and was supposed to go down. But the governments artificially pumped up the stock market up. And this what we are seeing right now, it's a natural force. Anytime market goes up, eventually has to go down. Plus we have of course inflation, we have of course Fed raising interest rates. All those factors contributed to this recent downturn on the stock market. But it is a downturn, it is not a panic like in March 2020 when everybody was really panicking. Everybody was thinking that this is the end of the world. Because all stocks were down, including gold, silver, all precious metals were down. Right now, when market goes down and I look into my stocks of the companies are down, but the mining stocks are going up. So this clearly indicates that this is a downturn, but it's not a panic time, which kind of gives me the information that there is probably somewhere more downturn to come. That's why I stopped buying recently those three stocks, and I'm waiting because in I would say month or two we will have Fed raising interest rates, and this will spook the market. How much it will spook the market, we don't know, but definitively this is going to be an event when stock market is going to go down further and further, and that will of course create the opportunities for buying the stocks at the good discount. So those three stocks which I started buying recently, of course Raytheon I started buying 2 years ago, just Intel and Honeywell, that's the two new stocks. I'm planning to continue buying them more, but when the stock market moves downturn more, because as of right now, like I said, the market is going up and down, going sideways, so I don't really see the prices being really attractive. So let me know, what do you think? What is the reason for recent downturn on the stock market? And do you believe that the stock market has more downturn time to go, or this is it? Recently I read the opinion that this is it. This is priced already in the prices of the stocks, and more and more insiders are buying the stocks, which indicates strong rally within next 2 or 3 months. They predict S&P 500 to go up around 15%. Personally, I don't really believe in all those predictions, insiders buying, selling, because stock market is unpredictable. We live in really uncertain times. Of course, we have all the time this horrible war in Ukraine, when Russia invaded Ukraine, and Ukraine is defending themselves really bravely. As we speak right now, we have the heavy fighting going on in Donbass, and particularly in Severodonetsk. Russia is massing maximum power in around Severodonetsk because they want to show at least some success, and they are becoming more desperate. And for example, if they use small nuclear weapon, or if they use chemical weapon or biological, this will cause the market to go drastically down, which I don't believe they will do, because they know the limits. A couple months ago I made a video about the use of nuclear weapons in this war, so if you would like to know deeper what is my opinion about this, go check this another video. But there are unpredictable times, and different things can happen during this war. Plus, this war affects, of course, the food supplies, because Ukraine is second largest producer of the grains, and this will affect the prices, and of course on the longer run will affect prices of all kinds of commodities. So these uncertain times and the factors can put together something which can push the market down, and of course that will create the opportunities for buying more stocks. Those stocks which I mentioned, Intel, Honeywell, Raytheon, are very, very stable companies. I'm not playing unstable companies as of right now. I don't play commodities, I don't play biotech, I don't play IT stocks. I bet on the stocks which are extremely stable with the long, bright future. That is, I would say, the best approach which I feel is for me right now. But for you, could be different. Could be Apple, could be Facebook, could be Google. I'm trying to stay away from those stocks, individual stocks of course, because I own S&P 500 index fund in my portfolio, but individual stocks from the tech industry I'm trying to stay away. Somehow I don't really believe that those companies are going to be as powerful in 20-30 years in the future as they are right now. Okay, please let me know what you think about this, what I was just talking about. Do you agree or you disagree? Let me know. I would like to hear your comments. And last thing which I'm going to tell you is why I'm not doing videos as often as I used to do. For a simple reason. I'm extremely busy with my daily work, with my business. I work between 60-70 hours per week, work 6 days a week, and this absorbs extreme amount of time from me. So I just don't have much time left. And whenever I have time left, I'm not extremely well organized. So when I come home, I should just jump, start making video, doing research, and boom, start recording. I lack a little bit of self-discipline. I'm working on this because I love doing videos, because I love doing research. I love doing this. This is my hobby. I like this hobby. I want to cherish this hobby. I want this hobby to survive for many years. But as of right now, I'm focused on something else. So this something else generates income, and this income I'm pouring into the Intel, into the Raytheon, into the Honeywell, and all kinds of stocks. So one day I can stop working 60, 70 hours per week, enjoy for full time, and start making videos every day. Because I really like doing this. I really like learning. I really like challenging myself. And I know that there is a lot of more things which I can learn about market, about economy, about finances, and I would love to do this. But like I said, I'm in the position right now where I have to focus on this, what brings the bread on my table. Okay, thank you so much for watching this short video. I really appreciate your time. If you have any interesting comments, put them under this video. I really appreciate all your comments. And if you like the video, hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I hope you stay healthy and well, because health is the most important asset in your life.